We've got a hungry cat. We need to go out and get her some food. You're leaving the boat.
I'm taking my last shower.
So, just reading the news, the French President Emmanuel Macron ordered a nationwide lockdown starting on Tuesday at midday and lasting for at least 2 weeks. Anyone breaking the quarantine could be punished. The European Union will close its borders for 30 days from tomorrow to external visitors from non-EU countries.
All non-essential movement to be banned from Tuesday midday for 15 days. Residents must stay at home. Punishment for those flouting the regulation. Army to be used to help transport the sick to hospital. Military hospital to be used in Alsace near German border. Borders to be closed in agreement with other European Union countries. All non-essential movement. Going to work is an essential movement. Let's go through the stocking up, see what we got and how long I think we will be able to last. So for the staples, we have about 3 kg of rice, 1 kg of lentil, and 2 kg of couscous, and we have maybe 5 bags of pasta, 4 bags of peanuts. By the way, all these foods I didn't buy them because of the virus. I actually bought them before because we were stocking up for a trip, so which is good because when we went today there's nothing in the shop. It's quite scary. I wasn't scared of people when people wear a mask and stuff because I went through the Chinese outbreak, but then the scary part is when you see the shelves are empty, because in China we had food, like food wasn't a problem at all.
Part of the life living on a boat, when you find a cheap supermarket, you generally stock up anyway on all the cheap stuff like pasta and rice and stuff.
Yeah.
Everyone's panicking over here for some reason. They all seem to be buying bog roll, so there's no bog roll in shops and no pasta as well, so people seem to be panicking for some reason. So they're on about the over 70s having to stay indoors for 3 months. So I don't know really. I don't think that's going to happen.
So what about Granny? So she has to stay at home.
A year ago we bought this, which was probably the best £12 we've ever spent, the boredom box, which we only really use for the chessboard that comes inside it. They should rebrand this the coronavirus box and they'd probably sell thousands. 5 minutes until lockdown. Everyone's cycling and running home as fast as possible. It is now 12:20. And nobody is listening to the instructions. So this is the attestation de déplacement. interrogatoire. Yes, my French pronunciation is very nice. So you sign your name here, and then I don't know what that means, and you tick why you're going out, whether you're going out for work, whether you're going out for to help someone, to get essential stuff from the shops, and then sign. There were actually police checking for these earlier. However, people are not listening to the advice, and they are out and about. Save me, save me, save me from this squeeze. I got a big fat mama trying to break me, and I love to live so pleasantly.
I heard that you like the bad girls, honey. Is that true? It's better than I ever even knew. I think they're trying to find him, but he's trying to say, I didn't do anything wrong. And police is saying, well, now this is a serious time. Do you want your family to die? Or do you want to die? Or do you want me? Do you want to make me to die?
Just watching the show, watching the guys get a notice.
Oh, that looks so good.
What?
The green.
What green?
My plant.
Oh yeah, I know, it does look good. We should get more. I want more.
I will kind of block you if that's fine.
It's not possible. Maybe they'll close. I was just talking to a guy outside, and the initial lockdown period was going to be 15 days, and then he just said that he heard that it's going to be 45 days lockdown. The locks on the rivers are closed. But now we're just thinking, what on earth can we do for 45 days? I've run out of wood to varnish. At 8 PM there's going to be a mass horn tooting where everyone's going to toot their horns in respect of what?
Paying respect for the medical workers.
I need a horn, we need a horn. Woo! What's for supper?
The only veg that we have left.
Onions and lettuce.
And we only have one egg left, so that's saved for maybe a cake. And
Pancakes.
yeah, pancakes sounds good. And we're gonna use peanuts for protein. And we have rice. I'm gonna use this Chinese sauce to cook with the veg, make it really tasty. Mwah.
Or
It's 豆瓣酱, so fermented chili bean sauce.